Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove or delete labels on Google Maps in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Maps. After that select your current location. Now to find label you have to just tap on U option. At the bottom you can find U and then scroll down. That's it. Here you can find label option. Also if you cannot find it here, just tap on more. Then you can find it. So just tap on labeled option. You can see there are 3 label or saved place in my maps. So if you want to delete this label, just tap on 3 dots. Then tap on remove label and it's done. You can see your label has been deleted or removed successfully. You can also add a new label from here. Just find any address from your map or search any address. Then tap on save. Then select a custom name and you can see it's added again. And that is how you can delete or remove label on Google Maps in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.